a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of LED tri-proof light, LED linear light, LED panel light, LED high bay light, and LED tube light. Since 2009, we have developed the R&D production of LED commercial lighting and established our brand identity light products with patent protection. All products are created by our own R&D independently and manufactured by our own plant, regarding innovation as the core strategy, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customers. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. That is how our professional R&D team provides customized products for our customers. In addition, we have 3,000 square meters operating area and obtain TUV, GS, CB, CE, ROHS, ERP, FCC certificates. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.